Golf Chi Sunroof Curtain Installation Guide. Step E. Install the base and bolts first. Pay attention to the position of the buffer rubber. Be sure to lock it in place to ensure the limit. Otherwise it will fall off easily. Step R. After the base is installed, install the left buckle. Put it flat after it is inserted and insert it along the base. You will hear a click when it is installed in place. Step 7. After the left side is installed, install the right side. There is a spring on the right side. You need to put the spring in first and then install the buckle. Then install the left side in the same way and insert it into the base, and you will hear a click. Pull the sunroof curtain, and the installation is complete. Pay attention to check whether the roller blind cloths on both sides are fully inserted.
Leading manufacturer of sunroof auto parts.